Hi everybody, it's Lynn Ingram here. I'm chair of the Honey Authenticity Network UK and also part of the BBKA Honey Authenticity Working Party. And I'd like to talk to you about honey labels today. I guess like me, many of you will have spent the last couple of months extracting that beautiful honey your bees have brought in and maybe bottling it and labeling it for sale or for gifts. And like me, you'll have made sure that your labels reflect where your honey has actually come from. It's all laid out, of course, in the honey regulations. But you might not realise that a lot of the honey that's for sale in the UK today does not give that information. And that's because many of the labels of this cheap imported honey says things like a blend of EU honeys or a blend of non-EU honeys. And that means that the consumer has no idea which country this honey is coming from. The BBK have become concerned about this, have recently launched a petition asking the government to require that labels reflect the country of origin that the honey comes from. And what I'd like to do is to urge you to sign that petition and also to spread the word about it. Now, I'm aware that as a beekeeper, it's probably not you buying this cheap imported honey, but it might well be your friends, your family, or your work colleagues. And so I'd love it if you were able to spread the word to them, maybe when you're selling honey, or maybe when you're giving it as gifts, and to urge them to sign the petition too. I'm going to put a link up to the petition here. And you should be able to see that. So there's a link at the top, and then there is the detail, a summary paragraph about the petition below. Now, what we're aiming to do is to get 100,000 people signing this. And if that happens, the government is required to debate it in Parliament. But if we get 10,000 signatures, and we're not that far off, then the government are required to give us a response. Now, I've also got a QR code here, and this means that if you have a smartphone, you can just hold your camera over this code and it will lead you directly to the petition. I'd like to thank you in advance for signing this petition and for spreading the word. And I'd also like to send you my very best wishes for the festive season and for the new year. Bye.